Namaskar, I am Aradhya Mohan and you are watching news updates from the School Times. United States Truman State University is offering a special merit-based President's Honorary Scholarship for international students from India. The university has shared the eligibility criteria and a number of student beneficiaries to be selected under each scholarship scheme. The last date to submit applications is October 15, 2021 for Spring 2022 applicants and April 30, 2022 for Fall 2022 applicants. Interested and eligible students can apply online at its official website. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras and IBM will augment select courses on the National Program of Technology Enhanced Learning Platform. Experts from IBM will be co-offering a quantum computing course in the NPTEL platform and enhance select NPTEL courses such as data science and AL with technical inputs that will help provide students with a current industry perspective. Central Board of Secondary Education released the admit cards for class 10-12 private candidates and the regular candidates put under compartment category. Admit cards have also been released for students appearing in board exams to improve their scores. Candidates can download the admit card from the official website. As per the exam schedule released by the board, the exams began on August 25th and will conclude on September 8th for class 10 and September 16th for class 12. The private candidates can directly download the admit card from the CBSE website. IIT Roorkee has launched an advanced certification in cloud computing and DevOps. The curriculum of the program includes cloud computing concepts, DevOps tools, AWS, virtualization and cloud security. The program will be offered in partnership with Intellipat. This course is led by faculty from IIT Roorkee along with industry experts to help professionals gain the most in-demand skills. Through the 7-month-long online program, learners will undergo multiple hands-on exercises and project work. All the enrolled learners will be provided with career services which include mock interviews preparation, one-on-one mentorship. Syllabus for the Class 10 board exam in 2022 will be substantially reduced, the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education announced. Teachers said that the decision was taken as no classes were held on school campuses for over a year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In a statement, the board said on Tuesday that there will be a 30 to 35% reduction in the curriculum of all 7 subjects for Class 10 students who will appear in the Madhyamik Pariksha next year. The Central Board of Secondary Education today released the admit cards for class 10-12 private candidates and the regular candidates put under compartment category. Admit cards have also been released for students appearing in board exams to improve their scores. Candidates can download the admit cards from the official website. As per the exam schedule released by the board, the exams will begin on August 25th and will conclude on September 8th for class 10 and September 16th for class 12. The private candidates can directly download the admit cards from the CBSE website.
Want your school and your students to be part of a revolution? Enroll your school to be part of Junior News Network. Get your students to gain experience and exposure and be part of educative revolution. Drop a mail at info@theschooltimes.in.
That is all for today from the School Times News Desk. Like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching news updates.